Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on frequency distribution table worksheets. So this video presents some worksheets on the frequency distribution table. We've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you're not sure what to do, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on that slide, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. I'll leave this particular slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide, but you can pause it for as long as you like. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. Again, I'll leave it on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the last slide now, and you can click on the link if you want to go to the lesson to get some help.